Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 5th of March 2019. Okay guys, I am going to start today's analysis right from Euro USD. This is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, and Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 113256 and 112591 was the entry. And guys, you can see we have seen the drop on Euro USD today, and as per the signal it has went fine into our direction. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on Euro USD, they must have taken the profit. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. I'm going to take you towards the report. So 067910 was the bearish entry from my side. However, the market went up to, let me put the line here, 067689, and after that we have again seen that the market has bounced from that level. So overall, if you have done scalping, then it might have given some profit to you. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. I had a weaker expectation on this pair from 131552 and 130245 was the targeted price. However, the targeted price is not met, but overall if you look at Great Britain Pound USD, it's into the bearish zone and the market is making the bearish pattern. Let's move to the higher time frame so that you can see that what's going on here. So you can see that the daily candle is pumping down and still it's after the upward trend, because if you look at the previous trend on Great Britain Pound USD, it is completely up. So you can say that the next swing can be down, and if you also look at the price monitor, it's giving us the red signal to sell the pair. So overall it is still into the weaker zone. If it again breaks the MI entry and keeps its level below 131552, then it will be back into the bearish zone again. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. Okay guys, still USD JPY is fighting on the level. The 111948 was the entry, and you can see it has already break the entry 3 hours ago, but still it's just fighting on this level. Overall, if we move to the higher time frames, then I'm just going to take you towards here. So daily candle is still giving me bullish signs. If we go to the weekly candle, then still we do not have any bearish signs on the weekly candle. So overall it's in the bullish zone. So I just recommend buy positions on this pair unless we do not see a significant drop on this pair. Then you can say that it will be into the bearish zone, but still we are looking things to be bullish. Okay, now let's talk about the analysis about the AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 070783, and same problem here. If you look, the market is just ranging here. It has gone nowhere, but again it's retesting the entry. So guys, it's just breaking 070783. So this is the bullish zone for AUD USD. If you see that the market starts to pump up, that's the target price that is set on my chart. 071201 is the target price, so maybe that's going to hit during the US hours. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. You know that I was talking about this pair many days ago, that it's into the bearish zone. The price has moved so much up. So I have given the sell signal. 147181 was the possible entry, and guys, you can see the market was dropped from the entry. But if you look at the higher time frame, so the analysis again says that if you look at the daily chart, then the market has moved so much up, so we have to look for a bearish signs on this pair. So buying this pair at these levels is not a wise decision. It's definitely pumping up on the 1 hour chart, but if you talk about the swing trade, then on the higher time frames, then we can say that that's into the bearish zone. It's not into the bullish zone. So that's how you need to cut the pairs. Okay guys, I have updated the video a few hours ago about Euro Canadian dollar. I have predicted the sell positions, and now you can consult the Euro Canadian dollar chart. The Euro Canadian dollar has already dropped, so that's why I'm talking about this Great Britain Pound JPY, because I analyzed the charts basis on the same approach. So that was telling me to sell the pair, and I have advised the sell position on Euro Canadian dollar a few hours ago, and with the grace of God, you can see that it has already dropped as per my prediction. So just keep the levels in your mind and just go with the swing trading, because the other trading that we normally do, scalping, that's not a wise decision. Okay, EURJPY. So guys, Euro was weak today, and I have provided the bearish expectation from 1 to 6669 and 1 to 6014 was the target price. However, you can see that the market has breaks our entry and it has already went down. So maybe within the few hours the market can hit the targeted price. Overall, you know that I give the signals based on the swing trading. So that was a swing trading signal, and already if you have taken the trade few hours ago, then it must have given the profit, because we have a downfall on this pair from last 4 to 5 hours. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, which just has entered into our bullish zone. 79194 is the bullish entry, and the market was just leaning on this level, but still we are getting bullish signs on EURJPY. So guys, just keep the target price in your mind. 79515 is the target price. If it keeps its momentum into the upward direction, then it can hit the target price during the US hours. Okay, moreover guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish momentum from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair, and whenever you see that the market is making the bullish pattern from the lower red boundary, you can buy the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that I have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. That's the official email. Okay guys, please must like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can be a part of 200 Forex Pips community, and you will be getting the updates from my side. And guys, like my videos and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.